Hello guys, and welcome to a Let's Play of White Noise. I don't know why I said it like that, that was weird. Anyways, okay, we're gonna play for about like 12 minutes. No, but seriously, that's how long I have, so let's play! Okay, we are playing White Noise. It's sort of one of my favorites. I'm gonna play on normal because then it's more scary. Play Foundation Hall. Be smart about the character you choose. Frank. Fuck you, Frank. Rafaela. Adele. Oh, that's hilarious. Alright. Let's just go with you. It's lagging like a bitch. Okay. RT to run. So let's play this game. My heart starts beating and I can feel it in my controller. What the fuck is that? I don't remember there being whispering the last time I played this. Oh, shut up. I can run farther than you can, you bitch. Come on. Now, if you guys haven't watched my last video that I played with this, which was quite horrible, which is why I'm replaying it. If you're looking for an audio tape, yeah, like that, you would start hearing static. Ah, here it is. Audio tape. Say. Was that actual voice acting? Is it me or does the music remind you of Ah! Oh god! Run. Shut it! Shut your mouth! Ah! I hate this game. I mean, I love it, but I hate it at the same time. Okay, I see another one. No, we don't. What? Where it? Oh, there it is. It's A, not X. Can you run straight? Yep. Hey, you bitch. Oh, don't look at that! Do not look at the giant green penis. How many do I have again? I think I have like 4, which is half. I can't... Either that's... Ah! Oh! No! Oh! Yeah. Ah! You ass! Stop stalking me! Okay. I hear that. I found it. 4. I got half. What? You're out of your green penis. Wait, there's 2 of that. I don't know. Fucking move, damn it! I don't want to get caught. Ah! Is this like an Eternal Darkness sanity thing? Okay, fuck you. Seriously? Alright. That was stupid as fuck. Maybe I got caught and I decided to, like, reset. Stupid bunker. You know what? Save time. I'm just gonna... Why are you rumbling? I'm not... Oh, it stopped. Okay. Just to save time, I'll be back in about 5 seconds where I started. Okay, I just wanted to do that. Scare the fuck out of you people. Yeah. I don't know what happened to the last one. I died for some reason. But yeah. I only found one, though. Because I was like, it's gonna take too long and shit, and I only have enough time to do one video. So, yeah. I didn't really go very far. Oh, apparently I made a Yui. Yeah! White noise, everybody! Yay! Tell a friend. I guess the tell a friend doesn't really work. Alright, so that was white noise. Sorry if it wasn't very eventful. Yeah, that's the word. One day I'm going to get a bunch of my friends to play with me, and it'll be fun as fuck. Seriously, because my friends love that game. Anyways, so please, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and any other social device. Sorry if this game is so short, but I only have enough room to play this one, and I don't have the time to do it anymore. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and any other social device. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye! Bye.